Hello guys, in this video I'm going to go over a topic that is often frowned upon by the more say fundamental traders out there, and that is technical analysis. Despite what you may believe or what some people may have you believe, is that technical analysis does matter, and it matters more than you actually think it does. Um, as you progress through trading, you'll start to see more technical patterns, and you'll see bounces off of certain lines and resistance and support lines, and be thinking, well, there was no news today, so why did that happen? And to be quite honest, nobody knows in my experience. Some people will come up a news story, or once price action goes in a certain direction, people say, oh, it was because of this and X, Y, and Z. But equally, it could just be because it hit the line and it reverted for whatever other reason. Sometimes there is no fundamental news. Also, timing a position is really, really helpful. Um, and the best way to do that is to use technical analysis. Often, technical analysis can prove a thesis or deny a thesis, in which case you're wrong, and you should make the resulting decision from that, whether to trade in or trade out, cut your position, or whatever it may be. At the end of the day, the tape is right, and if you're in the same direction as the tape, the price action, you will make money. Otherwise, you won't. It's as simple as that. So, that being said, do pay more attention to technical analysis if you um, to help with your trading. Um, and so, the couple of websites I'm going to go over here are websites that would help with somebody who knows next to nothing of technical analysis. The first one, and probably the best one, is stockcharts.com. This is a free resource. You can come on here and just make your way through all of these different tabs here. Don't get too fancy or too technical with your technical analysis. It doesn't really need to be that much. Yeah, keeping it simpler is often sometimes better. And if you're a Twitter person and you're on Twitter and you have a lot of fundamental traders on there, usually they tend to be pretty darn bearish. Whereas when you get the technical guys, they tend to be pretty darn bullish. And as we know, over time, stocks tend to go up. So it's good to have a healthy amount of bulls in your Twitter feed. So I'll just click on one of them, and you can see it's very simple stuff. Doesn't the articles and the length of the um, and the documents that are written aren't very long, so you can, so if you want to read over everything in one weekend, you pretty much can. So just come to this website and just click on the different um, um, sections here, and you'll be able to read up and become at least proficient at technical analysis and seeing what's happening in the charts and whether that's bullish, bearish, or neither. Links will be in the description as always. So you can obviously recreate these charts and everything in Metastock Icon, hence why I really like the platform and why it has a great number of fundamentals along with the technical analysis. So you're combining both, whether your process is more technicals or fundamentals, it doesn't matter, or whether it's more fundamentals than technicals, everything can be done with an Icon Metastock. So that's the one website. Another website here is SMB Capital. This website also has a YouTube channel where they go through different parts of trading, so psychology, trade execution, reading charts, reading tape, etc., etc. Which is also very, very important and also hard to teach and hard to put in text for you to practice. Uh, you have to put a trade on to understand what this is all about and to understand the emotions you experience when you put a trade on. So it's really great to hear about other people's experiences and different ways to interpret the psychology and how that can make you a better trader. So this is a great website. Don't be put off if they're day trading and whatnot. Similar things can be applied for longer time frames as well. Another one is Jigsaw Trading. Again, a platform that you could say is more for day trading, but again, it will help for longer time frames as well, and will help you to spot and see different things that are going on in the market, so you can trade in and around positions, or knowing how to manage your risk can really, really add to your performance over time. And the final one I want to take you to is to Tasty Trade. Again, another free website here. They have a YouTube channel again. Lots and lots of free content for you to absorb and to follow up on. free resources on how to trade options, including calendar spreads, covered calls, butterflies, all you name it, and different trade management and portfolio management um, uh, information for you to digest and hopefully make you a better trader, and also interpret the technicals better. So first off, start with chart school. Don't get too complicated. Sometimes the bigger and simpler things within the technical analysis plays more the most important part, but certainly should help you with timing a trade and getting a direction of a trade, and so you can double down on your view and make hopefully better returns. um, okay guys, that's the video. If you found this video helpful, please do like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.